One of the hottest hair color trends for the fall 2023 season will be the look of red hair. We're seeing this trend worn in a variety of ways, from bright red to cherry colored burgundy to more copper and orange. So if you've been thinking of dyeing your hair this fall season and you're in need of some major inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's do a deeper dive and take a look at how you can wear red colored hair this fall 2023 season.